Hey everyone, it's Hartley here from Ultradent Products, and today we are going to go over our Halo Sectional Matrix System Kit and how to load your amazing and easy Halo Carousel. First, when you unload your box, you're going to have two little baggies with everything you need. Your amazing Halo Carousel, super easy spin design. You're also going to have a little guide that will tell you exactly where you can put anything and everything for this kit. Inside you will also have your Halo forceps and your Halo tweezers. So let's get loading. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open our Halo matrix bands. As you know, there's so many different sizes, so we're gonna do this the easiest way possible. I like to put them in order. Like I said, you can follow the little guide right here that you have, but all you'll do is twist this open to the right side that you need it on. So I'm gonna go 3 over from our wedges. And I'm gonna start with our 4.5. Open this little baggie, dump it in, take out our little sticker. We do recommend that you put it on the inside. I know you're gonna wanna put it on the outside, but we're gonna wipe this down with Cavi wipes or whatever cleaner we use, and that is going to take the sticker off. So always put it on the inside so that you can have that sticker's longevity forever. And it's gonna look something a little bit like this. Okay, moving to the next one. As you follow the carousel around, you will add each sticker and matrix band for each size. Okay, we've got all of our Halo matrix bands in there, so let's go to our other baggie. Of course, you have 2 of your Halo rings. Drop both of your rings in, and now we're on to wedges. Our last 3 wedges, you might want to put them in order from biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest. If you're wondering what the sizes are, the greens are your large, the blues are your medium, and the yellows are your smalls. So I'm going to start with our smalls. And these are just a quick drop in, yellow, blue, and then green. And there you have it. Make sure this little door is closed all the way right here. My favorite part about the Halo Carousel is never having to worry if we do something like that, because it's all still intact and where it's supposed to be.